Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do my Glossybox unboxing for January. Here's my box it came in with some paper, and the reason I left it in here is because there was a little item floating around like outside the box, and I didn't want to look at it up close, so I just kind of left it in there. So the first thing is this. It's a little sample of Skin Medica Derma Repair Cream. So it's like a little moisturizer. So yeah, so it's just like a little sample moisturizer, which I'm not mad at. I love moisturizer for my face, and as you all know, I have super dry skin, and it looks like it's just it was just like a random extra little sample because everything inside of Glossybox is full size. So an extra little sample, I'm not mad at it. Now if I can get it out of here. Okay, so here's our box. If I can get it open. Ow! Okay, so here's our little pink box for the month. I think it's like it always is. And let's see what we got. It looks like some kind of gift card or something. I'm not really sure. But this is what the inside looks like today. So we have our little bow, and we have our pink paper, but we also have this Glossybox. I guess this is the little pamphlet. Yeah, this is the pamphlet. I don't want to look at that. Okay, so the first thing is this little thing. It says Velvet, and it's just like a little card. And $25 gift card. Velvet for Glossybox. Celebrate with Velvet Sunnies. Oh, okay. One-time use, no minimum spend required. So $25 gift card for, I guess, sunglasses. That's actually really awesome. I'm going to be definitely trying that out here in a little bit. So I'm definitely not mad at that. Okay, time out. I went to go use my $25 gift card. I'd never heard of the brand. The cheapest pair of sunglasses they have is $175, and I'm not spending $150 on sunglasses, and they wasn't even pretty. So yeah, that's a bust, but back to the video. Okay, and then we have our little pink paper with our sticker, but I don't want to look in here, so I'm just going to reach in and randomly start grabbing like last time. Okay, so the first thing we have is this Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara. So it's just like a deluxe, is this a deluxe sample? I guess so, yeah. So this is just like a deluxe sample of mascara, which is fine. So yeah, there's that. That's awesome. I love mascara, and I haven't tried that, so I'm not going to open it or try it on because I have some mascaras I want to use up before I open any new ones, but that will be a good backup. And I'm not doing a try on today like I did last time because I already have my makeup on. So okay, the next thing. Ooh, awesome. I'm excited about this. Oh, it's a hair serum. I'm not as excited. I thought it was for my face, but it's not. This is by, it looks like Theory is the brand, and it's a marula oil transforming hair serum. So for all hair tops, which is just like a little box. I was hoping it was for my skin, because if I'm going to have to pick between skincare and hair care, I will pick skincare. But you know, it's not a bad little item, but it's just like a little glass bottle. Okay. Next we have this. Ooh, this I am excited about. Okay, this is by Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Lightweight facial oil infused with vitamins and oils to brighten even skin tone. Yes, I'm definitely excited about this. So it's just like a little, ooh, it's pink too. That's really, really cute. I'm excited about that. I've never tried Moroccan Rose Oil before, but I love facial oils or anything like that, so I am excited about that. Okay, next we do have a makeup item. This is by Steve Laurent, which I've never had anything from. I love the little rose gold box, and it looks like this is a lip gloss. So it's going to be like a potted lip gloss. Ooh, I love the packaging. I love the rose gold lid. This is in Dusty Rose, and it is just like a potted lip gloss that you would use like a lip brush with, or I guess you could use your finger. But I'm actually really excited about that. The color is beautiful, and this is something that I could just like chuck in my purse really easy, and it just looks so fancy and chic. I like that. I'm not upset about that at all. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is, ooh, I'm excited about this too. Okay, I have no idea how you would pronounce this brand, Lumaine maybe? It's Purity Dewdrops for hydrating eye gel. So this is kind of like an eye moisturizer, so another skincare product, which I'm not upset about. Actually, I don't have any kind of eye cream. Okay, so it's just like a gel, which I like. I like gel-based products. That's like my moisturizer. So it's just a hydrating eye gel. Apply a small amount to eye area after cleansing. So I'm actually really excited about that. We got a lot of skincare in this box, which isn't a bad thing. I like skincare, so I'm going to look at my little pamphlet and see what it says about everything. So we got two makeup items, and I do like both. I'm really excited about this. I just think that's so pretty. Actually, I don't want to swatch it yet. I don't want to put my fingers in it yet. We got a little sample moisturizer. We got the eye drops, the skin oil, which I'm extremely excited about, and then the hair oil. Me and hair products, but it's like not the biggest thing in the box. And then the $25 gift card for some sunnies. So the theme was fresh face, so it was definitely leaning more towards like skincare and things this month, which I'm not upset about. I'm excited for that. Okay, so it looks like this Purity Dewdrops, this is a full size, and this is $14.99, so $15 for that, which ain't bad. Okay, the Theory Marula Transforming Hair Oil. Wow, this is actually more expensive than I thought. Okay, this ain't a full size though. This is just like a deluxe sample. But a full size is 3.4 ounces and it's $26. So this ain't a full size. I was thinking for a full size this was like expensive, but it's not. Okay, and then this is the Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara. Is $22 for a full size, but I don't think this is a full size. Would this be a full size mascara? If it is, it's really, really tiny. So, which surprises me. Don't they usually give you full sizes in Glossybox? Maybe because of the $25 gift card, they're probably taking that into consideration. So yeah, that's definitely not a full size, but the full size is $22. Okay, and then it doesn't have this on the list, the little skincare, so that's just kind of extra, and it doesn't have the card on the list for $25. The lip balm, the Steve Laurent lip tint in Dusty Rose is $22, and this is a full size, so I figured that was kind of an expensive product, but I really like that. And then, ooh, yeah, this is where the money's at right here, which I kind of figured, but I'm really, really, really excited about this. This is the Doctor's Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil is $58.50. So this is right at $59 for half an ounce. No, 1 fluid ounce, which is what this is. So that's where the main value of the box comes from. But no, I'm actually really excited about this box. I'm really excited about the eye cream or eye gel and the facial oil and the mascara and the lip tint, and I'm not upset about the moisturizer. It's just like a little extra. Like, I'm not like super excited about it, but I'm not upset about it. And the hair oil, you know, me and hair products, but that's something that you just kind of have to deal with. Honestly, I'm really excited about this box. I like it, and it was a good day for me to have my makeup on because it was mostly skincare, and I didn't want to open the mascara anyway. I will go ahead and swatch this lip gloss just to see how pigmented it is. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's just like a nice dusty rose, which is, I think is what it was called. Yeah, dusty rose color. And it seems like really moisturizing, like almost like a cross between a lip gloss and a lip balm. It's not sticky. So I'm actually really, really, really excited about this, and I think it'll end up being a favorite item. So yeah, there's that. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this box. And I think it was definitely worth the $21. And yeah, I'll update you more later on how I like these items. So, talk to y'all soon. Bye.